Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Youn, and today we're going to be reviewing Newton versus Leibniz. In order to play, you will need 9 character cards, 1 inspiration dice, 1 Father of Calculus card, and you will also need 12 inspiration cards. Start by placing the 9 character cards in a grid like so, and place the Father of Calculus card to the side. Next, shuffle the inspiration cards into a deck. This will be your library deck. Next, reveal the top 2 cards of the deck. The first player will then draft one of the 2 cards, replacing that card with the card from the library. He will then draw another card to fill the full library. From now on, your library will always consist of 3 cards. Next, the second player will draft 2 cards, refilling the library. The first player will then in turn draft 2 of the cards. And finally, the second player will draft 1 card. This ends the drafting phase. Now normal gameplay can begin. Players must choose to discard at least one of the cards and draw that many cards in return. Players can choose to discard 1, 2, or all other cards from their hand. In this case, this player chooses to discard all of their cards and pick up all the cards from the library, refilling the library with the reserve stack. If at any point the library reserve deck is empty, pick up the discard, shuffle it up, and create a new library reserve deck. After discarding, drawing, and refilling the library, a player may choose to recruit a character card. For instance, this player has 5 blue influence and 3 yellow influence, and they will attempt to recruit Euclid. In order to recruit Euclid, you need 5 yellow influence and 5 blue influence, but it seems like this player does not have enough. This is where the inspiration die comes in handy. When a player rolls an inspiration dice, they must roll a number 1 higher than their current temporary inspiration. As I just rolled a 4, this player passes, but does not have enough, so must roll a second time. And they succeed again. If a player rolls a 6, it counts as a critical success, and is worth 2 inspiration points. If a player can earn enough inspiration to recruit the character card, they get to score it. To score a card, you must remove it from the sleeve and place it down in front of you. With the remaining card, flip it over, reveal the card to everyone, and put it in the discard. Instead of a normal card, a player can attempt to collect the Father of Calculus card. This card ends the game. It requires 7 green inspiration and 3 inspiration of any other color. For instance, this player has 6 green inspiration and 2 inspiration of every other color. They choose to attempt 3 red inspiration. Because of the lack of inspiration, they need 2 successes, and as they roll a 6, they succeed twice, and collect the Father of Calculus card and end the game. To end the game, tally all the points of all character cards collected and the Father of Calculus card. Whoever has the most points wins. Sometimes, even if you collect the Father of Calculus card, you may not be the winner in the end. And that's how you play Newton versus Leibniz. Thank you very much for watching this review. I rate this game 5 out of 5.